Welcome to the Brood Thoughts channel. Let's explore SoCal together. If you're in the Los Angeles area or are traveling here, don't forget to visit the beautiful live Pantages Theater in downtown LA and stay to watch some of the most popular Broadway shows. If you are in the LA area, don't forget to check out the Funko Pop Store. A lot of photo op opportunities from your favorite characters, collectible items, and enter for free. Next up, the Warner Brothers Studio Tour holds photo ops from DC Comics, Harry Potter, and Friends. Worth the visit if you want to experience how they bring movies and TV shows to life. If you're feeling a little spooky, a hidden gem near downtown Pasadena, the SugarMynt Gallery is a neat and unique attraction to visit where every day is Halloween. Just next door to the gallery is a replica of the Michael Myers house. If you're still feeling a little spooky, check out the Museum of Death to get a close look at infamous serial killers, crime scenes, and overall death. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.